Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.